Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and saving all documents. This prevents file loss. Once done, close every Office app and pause OneDrive sync so files aren't touched during uninstallation. Next, download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It automates many cleanup tasks that the built-in uninstaller misses. Make sure Windows Update is paused briefly to avoid mid-process restarts. Finally, reboot once to ensure no Office processes remain running before proceeding to the core removal steps. You'll now remove the main application and remnants. First, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and uninstall Office completely. Choose Full Uninstall when offered. After that, run SA-RA to detect and remove leftover services, licensing components, and user profiles tied to Office. Once SA-RA finishes, manually delete C/program files /Microsoft Office and C/program files x86/Microsoft Office if present. You're almost done. Reboot the PC to finalize file and service removal. Then sign in and confirm Office entries are gone and file associations reverted. If icons, context menu items, or leftover installers persist, run the SA-RA cleanup or use Microsoft's Uninstall support tool again. Reinstall then uninstall can fix stubborn remnants. If something breaks, restore the registry backup you made, run SA-RA once more, and check Event Viewer for errors. Make sure updates are re-enabled and test opening Office files with alternative apps to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.